You're listening to English Daily Speak, where you learn real English through real conversations. Let's get started. Do you want to speak English more clearly and with confidence? Today, we will practice together using the shadowing method. Hello and welcome. I am so happy you are here. Shadowing is a simple and powerful way to practice, just like a shadow. This will help your pronunciation and make you feel more confident. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The most important thing is to try. Are you ready? Let's start. 2. Practice Section 1. Everyday Greetings and Feelings, 1:30 to 3. Let's begin with some useful sentences for everyday life. Remember to repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I'm having a great day. It's nice to meet you. How was your weekend? I am feeling tired today. Excellent. You are doing a fantastic job. Practice Section 2, Ordering Food and Drinks. Now let's practice ordering in a cafe. Listen and repeat. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a menu? I will have the sandwich. Now let's try a short dialogue. Is that everything for you? Yes, that's all. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please? Wonderful. You sound very natural. Practice. Section 3. Asking for directions. Next, imagine you are in a new city. Let's ask for directions. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Is there a bank near here? How do I get to the museum? Now let's practice a dialogue. Go straight ahead. Then turn left at the corner. Thank you for your help. Great work. Asking for directions is a very useful skill. Practice. Section 4. Shopping. Let's practice some shopping phrases. Listen carefully. I am just looking, thank you. How much is this? Do you have this in a smaller size? Here is a dialogue at the checkout. That will be $20. I will pay by card. Here is your receipt. Perfect. You are ready to go shopping. You did an amazing job today. I am so proud of your progress. Shadowing is a journey, not a race. Remember, practice every day. Even 5 or 10 minutes can make a big difference. Keep practicing, and you will speak English with more and more confidence. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.